Hey, to set up face recognition on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, first you have to go to the settings, then you have to scroll down, select lock screen, and then go into the screen lock type. Input your current screen lock, but if you don't have screen lock, you will actually have to set the PIN, password or pattern. And after this, you can start with enrolling your face. So click continue, and now we have to input your face inside this circle. You can move your head up and down, or for example left and the right, and after your face is recognized, it's actually finished. So now you can click done, and let's see if it actually works. As you can see, my smartphone recognized the face, and that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.